Hello all, welcome to the weekly market outlook by the GEPL Capital. This is Omkar Patil, the Technical Research Associate. Let's start with the outlook. We'll have a look what the indexes has done in the current trading week and what is the further path ahead we can expect the index can do. So this is the weekly chart of the Nifty. So from the lower levels of 16,900 we can see that the index has actually shown a very good up move. While the up move has been followed by a very positive pattern, we can see that from the lows the index has actually maintained a higher highs and higher lows formation, while none of the close being below the low of its prior week. So this is a positive kind of structure. The price position is also at its fresh all-time high. This suggests a very positive undertone built up in the index. Coming to the daily charts, we can see that the index for the past few trading session was stuck in a range. The range on the higher side was around 19,525, while on the lower side it was 19,280. So now this zone, this range in the latest trading session has also been taken out. So this breakout on the daily chart also suggests a continuation of its prior up move, which we just witnessed from breaking the prior high of 18,887. So the overall, if we'll have a look at the index, the structure is positive, the placement of the price is quite positive, and going ahead we can expect the index to further move higher in the mark of 19,730, followed by 20,000 on the higher side, while on the lower side the mark of 19,200, which is the gap support which the index actually created in the prior week's opening. So the mark of 19,200 is quite an important support level on the lower side. If that is been breached below, we can expect some correction till the level of 18,880. So in a nutshell, the overall trend is positive, and our bullish stance which we were having since previous week, that maintains to be continue, and we expect the another further up move to come ahead till the level of 19,730. If that is surpassed, the index can move as high as 20,000 levels. Coming to the charts of Bank Nifty, this is the weekly chart which you can see, and in the previous trading week we got to see a formation of classical gravestone doji candlestick pattern on the weekly chart. As mentioned in the previous outlook, that the low which is placed around the level of 44,840, if that is sustained on the closing basis, then only the index might get into correction. Nevertheless, we haven't closed below the low, so the bullish stance in the Bank Nifty as well is maintained. And if we'll have a look at the daily charts, the index was in a consolidation zone of 44,500 on the higher side and 43,500 on the lower side for past couple of days. And that level post taking out, we got to see a brilliant move on the higher side in the Bank Nifty as well. And now if we look at the structure, the prices are currently taking the support from that range which is placed around the level of 44,500 mark. So over here also we can see that the Bank Nifty is trying to take good support around 44,500 mark, and hence that becomes a very crucial level on the downside. While on the higher side, the mark of 45,900 being a very crucial level, and if that is surpassed, the index has a space higher till the level of 47,000 mark. Coming to the stock specific, so the first stock which we have selected is TechM. So we can see that the whole IT sector has been in a very consolidated zone, and now in the latest trading week also we got to see a good breakout in the IT index. So going ahead, if we'll have a look at the chart of TechM, the prices were consolidating in a range while being 1,140 on the higher side and around 915 on the lower side. That range has been maintained for almost a year, and prices are now coming out of that structure. This is actually a positive sign. This is a good breakout we can expect. We can see the momentum indicator RSI has also shown a very brilliant breakout, quoting and sustaining well above the level of 60. So going ahead for TechM, the levels to watch out on the higher side as a target of from us is the mark of 1,500. While on the lower side, the level of 1165 is a level which can act as a stop loss for this trade. Moving to the next stock we have is from the banking industry, that is the RBL Bank. The RBL Bank, if you'll have a look at the structure, post the correction from the higher levels of 665, which was around the year of 2019. Now we can witness a good base has been formed. The prices have sustained well on the lower side. We can see a good breakout of the cup and handle pattern in the latest trading week, and going ahead over here we can see that the index has a momentum to move high till the level of 250, while on the lower side the mark of 195 will act as a strong support as well as a stop loss for this trade. So that's it from our side. I hope you like this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to GEPL's YouTube channel, and do like and comment on this video. Thank you.